starting to bubble up already. All right, cool. So for this, it's pretty much equal parts yogurt and self-raising flour, and a little bit of salt. This will take about 4 or 5 minutes, so we'll just mix him up and it will come together and it will form a little dough. Peel off the shell. Then you want to get rid of all these little kind of dead man's fingers. So you want to get these as thin as you can. You give that, I don't know, a minute or so on one side, a touch more, like an egg. How many do you want?